Welcome, dear souls, to a realm where dreams intertwine with the celestial, where the ethereal meets the tangible. Today, we embark on a journey fueled by the potent elixir of faith as we unlock the mystical doors to unimaginable wealth. Welcome to the channel where the alchemy of prayer converges with the angelic realm. Gather, seekers of prosperity, as we delve into the sacred mysteries and invoke the mighty Archangel Uriel, the harbinger of divine blessings. With wings unfurled, he guides us along the path to victory, success, and the elusive embrace of good fortune, the kind that transforms mere mortals into millionaires. In the tapestry of our dreams, we envision the ethereal dance of lottery numbers, a celestial choreography choreographed by none other than the angel Uriel. Brace yourselves, for you are destined to be the next millionaire, the fortunate inheritor of abundance beyond measure. Today, our prayers unite, weaving a tapestry of hope and expectation, reaching out to the powerful Archangel Uriel. In the symphony of spirituality, we beseech the divine to open wide the gates of financial blessing, to pave our paths with the golden bricks of prosperity, abundance, and everlasting wealth. As the melody of faith resonates, trust in the divine power bestowed upon you. Picture yourself basking in the blessings of the lottery, anointed with the elixir of abundance. Envision the splendor of becoming the next millionaire, a beacon of affluence illuminating the destiny of your family. If this sacred journey resonates with your heart, if the melody of hope sings to your soul, subscribe to our channel. Leave your like as a testament to your commitment, and turn on all notifications to stay attuned to the celestial whispers that may reveal your financial miracle. Share your testimony of faith, your message of hope in the comments below. Together, as a community bound by the pursuit of a financial miracle, we stand stronger. In the realm of miracles, invoke the name of Archangel Uriel. Proclaim with unwavering certainty, with the help of Archangel Uriel, I shall be the next millionaire, blessed with abundant riches to uplift my entire family. Amen. Now let the weight of the world lift from your shoulders. Inhale deeply, close your eyes, and immerse yourself in the sacred energy of Archangel Uriel. Feel the divine light illuminating your life, guiding you towards the pinnacle of financial success and the realization of your most cherished dreams. Dear Archangel Uriel, Prince of Lights, Archangel of the Divine Fire, we invoke your intercession in our lives. In the celestial flame, may you alleviate our pains and guide us along prosperous paths, filling our hearts with boundless joy. Archangel Uriel, beacon of divine blessings, we bow before your magnificent presence. As the guardian of good fortune and wealth, connect us with the energy of prosperity, leading us towards success and victory. Oh, divine angel of prosperity, work your magic on our mental patterns. Illuminate our minds with thoughts of abundance, for we understand that prosperity first manifests in the chambers of our hearts and minds. Free us from limiting beliefs and scarcity, elevate the frequency of our souls. May your golden light, Archangel Uriel, manifest in our mental, physical, and spiritual bodies. As we navigate the cosmic dance of dreams and numbers, may the revelation of lottery fortunes be ours tonight. We claim our destiny as the next millionaires in our families. Archangel Uriel, radiant being of divine light, I stand before you with an open heart, yearning for the graces that will pave my way to victory in the lottery. Illuminate my mind, I implore you, and bestow upon me the wisdom and divine guidance necessary to navigate the intricate dance of fortune. Bless my hands, O holy angel, infusing them with your celestial wisdom as I engage in the sacred act of choosing, guiding them with precision to select the winning numbers that lead to the fortune I so fervently desire. Awaken in me revealing dreams and powerful intuitions, a symphony of whispers that guide me to the destined path of abundance. In your benevolent presence, I cast aside all barriers, obstacles, and limiting beliefs that shroud my existence. Holy angel of God, break the chains of scarcity that bind me, changing my mental pattern to resonate with the abundant flow of infinite prosperity. Let the shackles of old beliefs crumble, freeing me to connect with people, opportunities, and situations that usher in wealth, happiness, and financial freedom. I extend my gratitude to you, Archangel Uriel, for bestowing upon me the divine grace of a financial miracle. May your guiding light bless my life with good luck and success, fortifying me in my pursuit and revealing the winning numbers in dreams and intuitions. Archangel Uriel, as I tread the path toward financial freedom, may your golden light accompany every step I take. May your benevolent and radiant energy inspire wisdom and discernment as I navigate the selection of games and winning combinations. May the gates of wealth swing open before me, guided by the luminous aura of Archangel Royal. In the fulfillment of my desires, may I become a beacon of gratitude, spreading the message of prosperity and success to all. As we stand in this sacred moment, take a deep breath and allow the golden energy of prosperity to fill your entire being. Feel the angelic, loving, and protective presence of Archangel Uriel enveloping you, guiding you toward financial abundance and prosperity in all aspects of your life. Imagine standing in a serene and sacred place before Archangel Uriel. Sense his loving presence emanating both wisdom and warmth. Hold a clear and firm intention in your heart to attract abundance, prosperity, and victory. Envision this intention being amplified by Archangel Uriel, transforming into divine guidance that permeates your mind. Visualize this energy transforming into winning lottery numbers, etching themselves clearly in your consciousness. As you emerge from this meditation, be confident that these numbers are imprinted in your mind, ready to be recalled when needed. Express gratitude to Archangel Uriel for his presence and loving assistance, knowing you can return to this sacred space for guidance and support on your financial journey. Now, gently bring your attention back to your body, feeling the connection with the ground beneath your feet. Let the serenity and determination linger within you as you transition back to the waking state. The sacred energy of Archangel Uriel continues to guide you on the path to prosperity and success.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.